Hey, what's up? It's Landa, and I'm taking a walk today to the store, and I guess talking a little bit to you guys. I got a long walk. Like I said, I like walking. Good exercise for me. And so today, out of Meadowland streets, and we are taking a walk. Please like and subscribe, turn your notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Rows and rows and rows of flowers. I think they're roses. Yeah, roses. Such beauty. Not taking walks, guys, you would miss this. You would miss all this beauty. Lines and lines and lines and lines of roses. So get out the house, guys. Take a walk. Look at all this nature. Yes. I smelled one of these roses before. They didn't really have a smell too much. But yeah. So beautiful. Hey guys, so I'm gonna tell you about this bridge I used to always walk past, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, I would get intrusive thoughts in my brain. Now, intrusive thoughts are when you get horrible thoughts in your brain, okay? That go along with your depression or whatever you're going through. And it's so silly because I could be walking with someone I love and everything would be okay. And all of a sudden, I would get to where this bridge was, and I would think of horrible thoughts. Horrible thoughts. Isn't that crazy? You could be doing so well with your life, and the devil just wants to give you those awful thoughts. No more, devil. No more. I would never, ever, 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 ever. This is about, I say like a 2-mile walk. And I do it often. I used to have a car. I had a car accident, and ever since that accident, I didn't have any more cars. Still have my license though. I'll get it together. I will get it together, guys. I will get it together. Besides, have you seen the price of gas? And repairs and insurance. I'd rather get exercise and take cabs than spend all that money that I probably don't even have to take care of. So I am walking, guys. Be right back. This is what I like about the fall. Beautiful yellow leaves. Yep, guys, I'm still walking and feels good. Feels good. And hopefully you guys are enjoying your Saturday, you're staying blessed. And yeah, what are you guys doing today? Hey guys, I ended up running into someone I knew, and right now I am at a funeral. I wasn't expecting it, and I'll talk to you about it later, guys. So guys, I was walking, and it's a small world. There's something amazing about God, because people come into your life and you run into them for a reason. Here I am walking, I am minding my business, and all of a sudden someone says, Yolanda. And it happened to be my son's father. Now, I have not seen him in so long, and he just knew it was me. I had on shades. Okay, I'm walking, and yeah, he just ran into me. So, and I end up going to his friend's funeral. And we're at the funeral now, and I'm waiting to go back where he picked me up from. And it's very close to where my father is buried. So, weird, right? All right, I'll talk to you guys later. So hi guys, I end up walking to the store, and I end up running into someone that I knew. Yeah, I ended up going with him to a funeral, and it was crazy. So you never know who you run into, and it's really strange how God works, you know. I didn't expect to run into this person, and yeah, that's how my walk went. And I'm surprised that they knew who I was. It's my son's father, and I haven't seen him in 16 years, lost all kind of communication really, and everybody runs into you for a reason. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.